So I built a lot of the MIATA HEART taillights, and I've always done the turn signal a specific way. I can show you right here. That's the way that always made sense to me because it starts on the inside of the light and it goes out. But Garrett had a pretty cool idea, and we mocked it up and showed it to the customer, and they went for it. So we actually did it on this set right here. So we were able to do this by changing up how we wired up the heart. We use Corso motion modules. Here, I can show you. This Subaru light is gonna get a Corso motion module. So each of these is in a pack of 4 or 8 LEDs, and we're gonna wire the grounds to the Corso motion module and be able to control the turn signal, and it's gonna go around like that. But with these, we actually started here at 1 and then went 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way around. That's so loud. Those kids are playing on a Power Wheel right outside, so it's a little noisy right now. But since we were able to wire it 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4 all the way around the heart, it looks like it goes out and around, which is a really cool effect. So now we can ship it out to the customer, and hopefully she'll be stoked on it.